So for this week's module, we had to watch the Strange Exoplanets YouTube video. This week's module was pretty interesting. The guy in the video talked about a large majority of exoplanets that obviously wouldn't be able to support life, such as the first one that reflected very low percent of light, and it was also extremely hot, so life's very unlikely to exist there. Then you had the ice planet, where it was completely covered with ice, but it was also almost entirely on fire. So I imagine life would not be able to exist there. And then he talked about the water world, which that one was pretty interesting. A whole world covered completely by ocean. As far as we know, life as we know it wouldn't be able to exist there because life as we know it requires carbon in order to form because we're carbon-based life forms. But life as we don't know it, based on some other element, might be able to exist there. Who knows? Then there was the world completely covered with diamonds. I imagine life wouldn't be able to exist there, but possibly if it was a life form based off of whatever diamonds are made of, it could exist there. But I think the planets that are most likely to support life are the one Earth-like planet that was tidally locked, and it had like an extremely hot side and an extremely cold side. And there was like that little thin strip of habitable zone. I believe there's probably alien life that's existing in that zone. Probably not though. We haven't found any life yet. But and then the planet I thought was most likely to support life was the Earth-like planet discovered by Kepler, because it was very, very similar to Earth, and according to the Earth Similarity Index, it was like at 0.88. So that's extremely likely to support life. So I think our best bet to find life is to search for that Earth-like planet found by Kepler.